Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how to get out of bronze. Now honestly, no offense to people that are in bronze. Bronze is literally after iron. In bronze, all you gotta do is aim and shoot, right? Here's a little technique that I've learned even higher elos. This works even in immortal, right? If you're having a bad aim day, for example, your aim is not good, you cannot hit those headshots, and you're not winning those gunfights, this is something you can do. And my range is not loading. Alright, finally it loaded. Buy yourself a Spectre or a Judge, doesn't matter, but I would say buy yourself a Spectre. If I do practice right here, just use the Spectre, run around. Literally, just run around, aim your mouse down, because there is a recoil as you see the bullets go up. But you can literally just run and gun anything in bronze lobby. Because everyone's bronze, no one knows how to aim in bronze lobby. So if you want to win your gunfights, no matter what, just run around. Run amok with your Spectre. Trust me, you're gonna get kills. Trust me, you will get kills. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.